In this video, what I'm going to do is introduce rates to you. Okay, so first of all, what is a rate? You've seen them all the time. Let's say you wanted to buy some bananas. I actually don't like bananas, but that's okay. Anyway, the bananas will cost, let's say, $2.90 per kilo. So you'll see that in the shop, something that looks like that, 2.9, this / kilo. What you need to remember is that means per. So this means it will be $2.90 for 1 kilo. So when you do that, let's say the question asks you to find the cost. A question says, find the cost of, let's say, 3 kilos. You're making a banana pie, or maybe banoffee pie. That's a bit nicer. All you simply do is, if it's $2.90 for 1, multiply by 3, and you get, if you're using your calculator, you'll get 8.7. But it's talking about money, so we need to put a dollar sign and make sure we do $8.70.